Hey, it's Berta J. I want you to not come into my kitchen with me today. What we're going to do is I wanted to show you something that I learned, and I thought maybe it would help you. It has nothing to do with cooking. If you have clothes that get a lot of static in them, then I wanted to show you something that has worked for me, and maybe it'll work for you. You don't have to go out and buy anything. I'll show you what I use. I use a wire hanger. Now you should get these, as you know, from probably dry cleaning shirts or something like that. And all you do, static electricity needs to be uncharged, so you need some type of metal, and this seems to work. And you see how this was all bunched up? Now this dress is a dress that I have been buying things for, static guard. I just have been doing everything every summer. For the last few years, I've been taking this dress down from the attic, and it looked horrible. And this year I thought, what can I do? And so I took this wire hanger, started running over it. That's all I'm doing. There's nothing special about this. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect. You can also put pins, just a regular old safety pin, and you put it on either the hem or a seam on the inside. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to brush it one more time. And there it is. I think it looks better than it did. What do you guys think? And I think you could just keep doing it. I only did it for a few minutes, but just keep doing it. That static is really coming out of that dress. Do you want to see the back? I'll show you the back too. There it is. So I hope you'll use this to get the static out of your clothes. It does work. This dress was a mess. So let me know how it works for you. And if these two things don't work, the other thing you could do is to also get some hairspray. So I hope you'll use it. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment and let me know if you try this and it works. It's not about food. Next time we'll do some cooking, or I'll do some talking to you. Okay? Bye for now.